Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexander Nikitin. I'm a professional trader and a developer of pattern search software. Well, and in today's video I will talk about the performance, once again about the performance of the software that I use and that I'm testing right now in real-time trading. 1 month has passed, to be precise, 5 weeks has passed. If you are interested in overall results, here are they. Let me export that thing into Excel. Done. And let me edit that Excel spreadsheet file. Here it is. Yes. Okay, what I need? I need to delete this. Don't need it. I don't need cancelled as well. Cancelled trade should be deleted. Okay, done. Come on, go there. Delete it. Okay, here is the chart. We don't need it as well. Look, my drawdown is recovering, so I'm almost at the top of my highs. Maybe I will consolidate a bit and then break to the upside, or maybe I will drop a bit low and then break to the upside as well, as I've been here, or it may look like this. I don't care actually. What will be the next step of that? Okay, so what's wrong with the default MetaTrader report? It calculates 0 trades as negatives, mostly because of swap, because of commissions they are slightly negative, but in fact the 0 trade break-even trades, they are actually positive. So that's why I am to slightly modify the results, and instead of having zeros I wanna have some slight 0.0001, 1 decimal of a cent. Okay, so that's it. These are the modifications that needed. Okay, now let's recalculate the performance. As you can see here, the deposit withdrawal is empty, so let me start from this. This is the balance I have right now, and I am to detract the profit I have. So this is the initial balance. And with total net profit, let's calculate it in percentages, because we already have the total net profit here. Why do we need the two same numbers? Let this be a percentage. Okay, so this equals the total net profit divided by initial balance, so we will have the percentage. Okay, done. Now it looks like percentage. If you have a look at this profit trades, I have 76 profit trades and 52 of them winners. This is not correct, because it doesn't calculate the zeros. And if we look here, the same, too many losers, because zeros are calculated as losers. Okay, 146 there are trades, but 2 trade is 1 pattern. Every pattern has 2 trades, first and second target, so I am to divide it by 2 to know how many patterns I have. Okay, let's find how many, let it be this, winners. How many winners I have. And to calculate this, I am to type the formula. Count F, and I am to type the range first. The range looks this. 147 is the last line. 147. So I am to start from N2 and towards and 147 is the range I'm looking at, and within this range I am to find more than 0. Okay, so this is the formula, pretty simple. I have Russian version of my Excel spreadsheet. If you have an English version, this should be count if. Count if. If you wish, I will type it this way. Count if within this thing. Okay, so this is done. 91 trades total, but guys, we need to divide it by 2 to see how many patterns. Divided by 2. Okay, done. So out of 73 patterns, 45 were winners. Okay, and it is pretty simple to find how many percentages are there within those 45. So we only need this. Divide this by total amount. Done. Yes. So this formula is pretty simple. It equals total amount minus this. So I will losers count if. So it means losers, how many losers I had. So this is the percentage. Well, it is simple. 100 minus this. Sorry, minus this. Come on, it equals. Forgot about equals. When you type that equals mark, it means that you show the function. Well, what should we need? We need the percentage. Let it be this way, and we need percentage as well, like this. Okay, done. So 62, 33 winning trades, 37 losing trades. Well, what else? Average profit trades. It is 22. Actually, it's not correct, because if I count zeros as winners as well, this means my average trade will become less. And if I won't count zeros as negative trades, this means my average loss trade will be larger. So I am to recalculate that as well. So the formula is sum if. Sum yesly means sum if. So what I need to do, I need to type the same range and to go into N147, and it should be more than 0, like this. Okay, and I am to divide it by the total amount of winning trades. This is the total sum of winning trades, and I am to divide it by total amount of winning trades. So to do that, I need to divide it by this, the amount of winning trades. Okay, so I have 36. Oh, sorry. First of all, I need. Oh, why do I need this thing? I don't need this. I have a better decision for that. No need to divide this. There is a formula that calculates the average of the range. I just forgot about it. Server is much. So this means average if within this range more than 0. So it will calculate average more than 0. So it is 1844. Let me copy the same formula. Let me paste it here like this, and instead of more than 0 I will type less than 0, and it will show me the average of losers. So the average of losers is 20. 1848, 2048. So why do I need these numbers? I need to calculate average risk to reward. So average risk to reward stays as follows. We are to divide total winners by total losers. I don't want this to be negative, so it will be minus total losers. So the average risk to reward is this, 0.92. Let me do it this way, 0.92 and 19. So this is the average risk to reward with advanced patterns. I told you in my previous videos that it's somewhere fluctuating between the 0.87 to 0.97 the average risk to reward. Why is it so? Because we first have the almost one-to-one distance from stop loss to target 1 and almost 1.618 distance from stop loss to target 2, and we also have the risk to reward when we risk something, but in fact we generate nothing because we had a break-even result. So that's why it is calculated here as 0. Average risk to reward is this 0.92. So I need these numbers, the 62.33 and the 0.92, for my correct pattern trade assistant calculations. So it calculates my money management, dollar Canadian, and the money management percentage, how much should I risk, is based on the performance of my strategy, and I adjust it slightly on weekly basis. So my accuracy is 62 something. Let's go to have the precise number, 62.33. It should be this 33, and the risk to reward is 92.19. 92.19. 92.19. So the 0.3 means that I allowed my my drawdown be 30%, not more than 30%. So this is the multiplier. I'm not going to use the full potential of my account risk at full with the drawdowns, but I only third of it. I only risk the third of my account in worst case scenario. Okay, 92.19, 62.33. Done. Now let me do it this way. Template, save template, and let this be the default template for the next week. So this means whenever I open a new chart like this, pound yen, let's say, and I open the pattern trade assistant, it already has the numbers I just typed. So I don't need to preset them once again. Simple as it is, pretty simple. So you can save the templates, plenty of those templates for you as well. For example, there is C to X. What is this? Where is the pattern? Yes, here it is. Well, for example, if you use that monster pattern search, yes, it always asks you for settings. Either you want advanced patterns be displayed or harmonic patterns be displayed. The same with manual HPS, the same with automatic HPS. Just save the chart, the whole chart, and next time you open the chart, you will have the settings. You can save it as a default one, and that will be perfect. Okay, so what's next? I'm to change my other charts according to those numbers. So it should be 219, and this should be 62. What is this? 62 something. 62.33. 62.33. Oh, come on. 62.33. Let me save the preset and let me call it, how can I call it? Weekly settings. Okay, done. Weekly settings. Okay, okay. So I am to load the weekly settings. Load weekly settings preset like this, and it is done automatically. Optimizing the stuff. load weekly settings. Okay, going next. So for the next week I am to risk slightly more, or maybe less. We'll do the calculations in a second. Let me finish with this thing. Okay, done. You can also save the whole profiles. This is the number of charts. I'm using the default profile. The next profile, I have plenty of them. Save profile as, so you can fine-tune one chart, another chart, and one more, and one more, and after that you save the whole profile, and when you switch between your profiles, all your settings on different charts are saved. So if you are interested my week-to-week performance, it looks this way. Let's go here. This is week number 0, and it's only needed to start the starting point. Week number 1, how many dollars, how many pips, how many percentage is this. Week number 2, it was a negative week for me, although I've made some pips, but actually I think that I've been losing I had larger positions on a losing trades rather than on a winning trade. That's why although I generated some pips, it was a negative week. Okay, another week, week number 3, total pips. So so far I have generated 2046 pips during the course of 5 weeks, and it is 564 dollars. That is 564 money. As my account grows, my percentage also grows. I'm not using fixed percentage. I'm risking the I'm not using fixed position size. I am using the percentage that is based on my strategy performance. If you are interested in pips, it looks this way. If you are interested in dollars, it looks this way. 1 week of losing, and then it goes higher. Pretty cool. Let me save, and let me save this. So I also have good news for you guys. I am on my way to create the software for MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 runs a totally different language. It runs MQL5 language, and it differs pretty much with MQL4. So, well, this means that the programs that you create on MQL4 won't work on MQL5. So it's a big problem. So I've started learning my MQL5 language, and guys, I have some results. So I have the manual HPS indicator, manual HPS 2-5. It means that it is for MQL5. So just created that, and it seems to me it works. I am to test that, but it seems to me it already works. We have the indicator settings. Let me switch to advanced patterns. Okay, like this, slightly to the left. Okay, this mismatching this high. Let's do it this way. Hey, come on. Moving here, moving here, and moving here, and no pattern here if we move it this way. So maybe I'll find some loser from here to here and back again. No pattern, maybe this one. From here to here to here, back again, we have a cipher pattern. So it works. It already works. It already does the task. but I don't have a pattern trade assistant yet, so this is only draws the patterns, and we are to manually manage the trades if you're going to run the MT5 accounts. So they are very different. They not that very much different, but they are different. So it takes time for me to learn the new language. So guys, if you are interested in testing this manual HPS in your platform, MetaTrader 5 platform, so until I have released the final version of that, and until I have added it to my website like this, just contact me in comments here, maybe in my email, and we will have maybe some agreement. I will give you a better version with a discount price. Until it appears on my website, it will be a discount on MetaTrader 5 MQL manual HPS 5 for MetaTrader 5. We can probably have a loser here until it is added to my website. So the you can how's that called, pre-order that until the final version is done. But it already does some functions, it already works, and I think it works pretty good. That's why it has a discount. Well, that's it. That's all the news I have for you today. If you are interested in my software, you are welcome to visit my website, www.ps-software.net. I will drop the link in a description. Until then, good luck, good trading. Hope to see you soon.